This indicator is used for triple confirmation, in which it gives you a signal from each indicator, in which you have to collect this signal and get a strong signal. So you are seeing three confirmations. These three indicators provide good signals with their accuracy. In this, we have to adjust the signals of the three indicators and see which signal is being generated that matches each indicator. So this signal will work as a SON trade for us. We should take a SON trade here because the three confirmations indicator signal should be taken advantage of, and the small requirement here is this. Along with all these confirmations, we also have to see an engulfing candle that falls within this area and creates a strong zone. So we can find our entry point at its base and place entries there. And here on the engulfing candle, we can mark this zone and find a SON trade entry for ourselves, which can give us huge profits on a small account with the help of this indicator. These indicators create strong support and resistance for you, but you have to filter these support and resistance yourself. You have to decide which zone will be strong for you and which will be weak. In this, the support or resistance that will be formed at the center point of the indicators will not be welded. We can always hit the support and resistance at the lower zone or the upper zone with the gulp candle. There will be strong support and resistance, and your SON trade or intraday rate can run there. You can keep the stop loss a little bigger because you want to do SON or intraday and if you are scalping. So in this you have to select a small time frame and hold the handles above their bases, which is a difficult task, so we would recommend you to move downwards from the large time frame and take your position. Brother, if the positions of the larger time frame are strong, then you can grab a good position for yourself that can grow your small account.